Random dad stuff. Time for new sandals. Let's go get some. Except I want these exact same ones. I think they're over there. It's really hard walking with a broken flip-flop. Looks like this is the closest I can get. Pretty close. They don't make that color anymore, apparently. So I just bought these new flip-flops and I'm gonna just trash my old ones. They're gone, they're done, throw them away, see you later. Broken flip-flops, goodbye. New shoes just feel so good. There's something about new shoes and also new socks that I love. But I guess you can't really call these shoes. They're more footwear than shoes. But they're new and they're on my feet and they feel good. I love new things on my feet. Don't you guys love new things on your feet? Yeah, me too. Well, now I've got new flip-flops. Just need to go get some gas. I'm pretty much empty. And then we can go fly the drone around. Let's go. We've come out here to the Florida Keys on Card Sound Road. Gonna fly the drone out over the water here, maybe underneath this bridge or something. We have liftoff. There's a boat out there. We're gonna go try to fly it over that boat and see what's going on over there. And then we'll take it around under the bridge, hopefully, and back up the other side. Here we go. That was close. Luckily I came prepared. I'm gonna plug this in to charge while I'm driving. We are charging. Goodbye, bridge. What are you doing? Good night.